Good day everybody. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful lamb traditional biryani. Okay, you need around 1.5 kilo of lamb shoulder chopped into quite large pieces, marinated with garam masala, curds, ginger garlic, salt, crushed pepper, and you need to put some roasted coriander powder. You keep all this with curds, and you keep all this in the fridge for say overnight, and then I will show you how to complete this entire beautiful traditional dish. It could be called a kurdi biryani, or it could be called maybe a Siddhapur biryani, or maybe it's all through my experience anyway. You need to also add some fried onions, say around 1.5 fried onions in your marination that goes into the fridge overnight. So make sure all this is in place, and I will show you what happens later. Okay, make sure you put your whistle on and close the lid with a high flame. Another tip, you need to fry your onions with ghee, don't forget that one, and then you can simmer the fire, and you can keep it in there for say around 20 minutes, I would say, and I will show you the rest of it later. Now, since your meat is almost 3/4 cooked, remember this sauce, it's going to be part of your calculation to make your rice. So if your rice is 1:2, part of this will be part of your volume of water to make your rice. Now you can separate your sauce and put the sauce into the pot to make your rice. So it's 4 cups of sauce mixed with water, and I have separated the meat. Okay, so since it is 4 cups of the sauce and water, it's going to be 2 cups of this basmati rice. That's the second cup. Now remember, you can start putting it on high flame for it to boil for a few minutes, but you can see it a bit yellowish. This comes from the Middle East garam masala powder. So your garam masala powder is basically cloves, cinnamons, and cardamom, all ground together with a bit of turmeric powder, but it's all in a kind of a powder available in the market. But you can just put basic garam masala, it doesn't matter anybody. Alright, now it's on high flame. It was just here for say 5 minutes, and now it's time to put the removed cooked meat, say 3/4 cooked, and we're going to pour it into this beautiful dish. Make sure your salt is okay here, and remember, you had put salt in your meat, so you need to be careful on your salt. Alright, there you go. The meat is all been placed in there. Alright, there you go. I'm putting in all the meat in there, which was removed and kept aside, and we give it a light stir, and not too much, just a light stir, and we will slowly shut the lid. Make sure the flame is on sim. Shut the lid and wait for around 15-20 minutes. So after 20-25 minutes, it looks all good now, ready to attack. Let me put this in a plate, and then we're gonna see how this is going to taste. So what can I tell you about this beauty? Very well placed in a plate. The beautiful biryani is ready for you. Enjoy. See you later.